What's going on?
Pull over. Put your hands where I can see them. We've had complaints
What did I do?
about you blowing that damn train horn of yours.
What? No. No, that wasn't me. No, I don't have a train horn.
You're going to jail for a very long time.
No, man, I can't go to jail. I'm too young to go to jail. I think you're out of your jurisdiction.
The Germans got nothing to do with it.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm B1, your host, and today we're going to be talking about my Chevrolet work truck. It is a 2500 unleaded 6-liter gas motor, 4-wheel drive, crew cab, long bed. Yeah, here it is.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
So, my company bought this truck brand new at the end of 2016. I drove for a little bit with the factory bed on it, and I wanted to put a box bed on it. So, searched on Craigslist, found a distributor in Dallas that had this box primered, brand new. It was like last year, it was the previous year's model, and man, they had it discounted like crazy. My father went up to Dallas to where the bed was. My father and my father-in-law rode together. They went up there with the trailer, picked it up, brought it back. We had liner put on the sides. We had the liner put in the bed, and then we took it to a paint and body shop and had them paint it to the color code of the truck, which actually it was painted twice because the first time it wasn't right. Anyway, I digress. It was painted, and then I put it on. Me and Mark at my shop, we put it on, and it took a while because I was trying to do plumbing work plus work on the truck, and it was a pain in the butt, but I got it done. And the rack, I built this rack. Well, I modified the rack up there. It was taller, and I cut it down, and I added that piece of channel over there. I put this on there, these bed rails. I put these pipes and all these D-rings. I put all those on there. This is 1.25" pipe with 1-inch pipe that slips in, and this is the same way in the back. So you can use it to grab a hold of to get in the bed. I also have a rack. I have a rack like that one that I built that goes in here and comes over and has the for me to haul pipe and whatnot. I got these lights. So these lights are chromed, and the LEDs pop through. These are turn and brake. Same thing with up there. And I made these my reverse lights. See, it won't work. when it's nighttime, I can hit the clicker and my reverse lights will come on to add some light. But these are 20-inch curved light bars on eBay. I think they were like $32 a piece, and I like them, man. They really light up the night. I took the factory backup camera off of the factory tailgate before I sold it on Craigslist, and let me shut this dinging off, and installed it there. It was pretty easy. Just drilled a hole in the bed and popped it in there. Wire. I mean, it was just a plug and play because it was the factory one, so I just plugged it right into the harness on the bottom. So that way I got my backup camera back. This is a LS. Let me see. No, this is an LT. This is an LT. I got these wheels off of Craigslist. Those are off of an LTZ. It came with 17-inch steel wheels, and I wanted something a little bit nicer, so that's what I got. It's got the tow mirrors, which I like them. Said it's got the electric door actuators, so I have a remote for my Knapheide. That's lock. That's unlock. Got all my tools in here. It's kind of disorganized right now. I bought an inverter from Harbor Freight, 2000 continuous and a 4,000 watt peak. Got my battery chargers for all my Milwaukee tools. Let's see what other functions I have. Oh, I wired up air compressor. With that little 2-gallon air compressor, I can air up water lines or air up gas lines, air up test balls. I can work on tires on my truck, you know, airing them up or whatever. Just it's really handy to have that air compressor. It doesn't leave the truck, but it's there, and it's a really nice system. And I also use it to run my train horn, which I only use in Mexico when I'm down there, so you don't have to worry about that. I picked this train horn up on, what is it, OfferUp, and it was 45 bucks. And it's a 3 trumpet. Got 1, 2, 3. Pretty loud. Not the loudest one that Horn Blasters makes by no means, but definitely gets the attention of people. And I've been known to play some pranks on some different people. I like to go to supply houses and get them there. It's one of my favorite stomping grounds. I also have a police siren that I got, and it's over here, and it has a PA system, so you can, and then the train horn's right here, so pretty freaking loud, tell you what. The speaker for the police siren is over here, right here, mounted it underneath there, just because it was convenient. I'm sorry, Pan Dulce in Mexico did all the wiring for me for the train horn and the police siren. Oh, I got my tri-ball. I love this thing because it gets me out far enough to where I can not with this like this. It doesn't get me out near as far, but like for instance on my Fummins, see how far it sticks out from the bumper? and I can take a trailer and pretty much turn it, a tongue trailer, turn it 90 degrees, which I really like that aspect of it. I got a toolbox. Those are some boxes of piping, but I got a toolbox there and a diesel tank with a pump right over there. Can never have enough space for tools because they take up a lot of room. This is the most economical way to put a truck together. We could have bought the truck with the bed already on it from the dealership, but it's not crazy expensive, but it's a lot easier to piece it together. Or no, I take that back. It's not easier. It's a lot more economical to piece it together yourself. And that's what we like to do, is save money. Who doesn't like to save money? So hope you enjoyed the video of my work truck. I know this was kind of a uneventful one, but I've been super slammed at work and I'm trying to go fishing this weekend, so I haven't had a lot of time to do much anything else. So I'm trying to make this short little video so I can stay relevant on the old YouTubes. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And we'll catch you on the flip side, you dang hillbillies.
Go, three. Feet first.
Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10%'s really got me going.
Is that DNR? Alright, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.